Oh, lovely! Oh my God! Wow, what a cold morning. I was like -1 when I got up this morning, but it's the wind chill. I think it's about 0 right now degrees, but the wind chill's killing it. Bobby's on Boris' old bike. Oh. I had to stop on top of that tree root then. Bobby's just lost something off his bike and he doesn't even know it. I'll just go back and see if I can find it. Nah, we'll be fine. Oh, this is a dream start to a ride. Apart from my hands are so freezing. I cannot feel my fingertips. But this dry, it's hard ground because it's frosty. The floor. My God, guys. I cannot describe. It probably looks alright on camera because look at it, it's beautiful. But the temperature and the wind chill, this is cold. Honestly, can't feel my fingertips. I've gone back to the briskers just for today because I don't like riding them in them as much as the fist gloves. The winter fist gloves are far better, but these are slightly warmer. So I'll be swapping at some point when my hands warm up. We might have had an issue here because they're a long way back. Something's happened. Better one. What are we doing?
I think he said he's come down too far.
Down here, Dixon! Get. Ooh, hell. Haven't been down there in a long time. Oh, the smell of that two-stroke. Yes, Cummins! Woo!
Uh-oh. That's going to be a big lift from there. Has he got the power? Has he got the power for the lift?
Teddy lift! Go on, Teddy.
Good!
Getting on it there though, isn't it?
Just jump off.
Up and go. Yes!
Very good, very nice. Four bang buzzer. Ooh. Nice. Second go for tempo. See what he's learned from Gubbins. Yep, 2 dogs there. That's a good start. All that no my beer and that's all you did?
Twice as far as you. If you get up there, I won't eat meat all year.
Well, right to the top.
Yeah.
If you don't get up, you're eating meat all year.
If you get front wheel to that lip there.
Oh, it means business now, look.
Oh my backpack. I'll get you a guinea.
Dixon, you got more throttle, more.
Wound on, try and hold on to the bike.
I'm trying a different map.
Is that all it was?
Wrong map.
Problem, kid, you.
That's how he treats it.
Oh. Look at this. Look at this. Leave that a sec. Look at it. Bobby.
Oh,
Bobby, that is some serious. Oh my god. Bobby.
stuck on them pegs.
I wish we had that on film. Bobby just literally stood there and fallen straight in that.
Could have been a lot worse. You could have been in drink.
Oh.
Oh, there's no worse.
Have you got some spare gloves? It's bloody cold, lads. I love it in here. I love it. It's beautiful. This is sick. So Bobby is on Borry's TBI 24 hard enduro model for the first time. I think he's going to buy it off him. And this is his test ride on it. And he's riding well. Ready when you are, bro. Oh, he's done it. Oh, I thought it was feet up. I've had a dab. I made a big error. Come on, pick a pile. That's a good one for Super Enduro. That's it. Oh. That's literally a section at Super Enduro.
There's a bit icy.
Have another go, you were almost there.
Can you go down the other side,
Yeah.
yeah?
Quite chunky trees like. Look at the girth on this. Big blip. Look at the size of it. Oh! Super Enduro, boys.
Super Enduro training. You'll see in 2 weeks on the vlog when all this training done pay off.
Go on, lad. Oh, that was it.
Not 2 weeks, 2 months.
You don't see that every day, look.
You need more training than 2 weeks.
They're in it, national class, these three. Dixon, Forza, Gubbins. Send it, lad. That's That's it, Dixon. That's good. Lovely. Lovely balls. There she is. Prime with the Dunlop. Put the Dunlop back on after that motor crossing the other day. You might have seen that video by now, which I really embarrassed myself at. That's a good one, that, Dixon. Look, this is how cold it is. Honestly, and the wind is so bad. There's a northeasterly. Oh, lovely! Yes! Buzzer can wreck a brand new 350. How good was that, lads? Buzzer providing the entertainment again.
We want any spare bike back.
He used to do that on that bike. Oh, it's big. Oh, he's done it mint. Yes, Dixon. I want to turn camera off because it takes 4 seconds to reload and come back on. I'm going to turn it off because they're all chatting shit. Easy. Ooh, buzzer. That's lovely. Oh my god. Are we having that, Dixon?
I think that's too risky.
Nah, come on, someone's already done it, look. It's got a line on it, someone's ridden it.
The bars don't go quite past the tree.
They do.
So you'll have to do a wheelie and a turn.
They're Astra bars, they can magic away out the way. That's it. Do a turn down. Oh my god! You alright? You okay? You alright?
I think so.
Yeah? Just stay there.
I think it's just an ankle.
But is it, can you wiggle it? Yeah? Just don't move for a minute.
What have you done?
It's not knee, is it?
It's not me.
That's alright.
Is it that leg though?
Do you think it's broke?
No. That's a lot steeper when you come that way. It didn't feel like it for a minute.
It was a good bail, and I got it on camera.
I didn't know whether just to try and stay on and roll it out, but I felt my bar start to cross, so I was like, I'm going to have to jump. You got to try it. Fuck around and find out.
That's it, lad. Well done.
Oh, sorry for the swearing. F around and find out.
Depending on where it is in the video, I might have to bleep it out, or just mute it out.
Do a beep.
I'll do a mute, it's easier.
Oh, I'll tell you what.
Relate to this situation, the old flappy decals. That's so annoying. Oh. Ah! Whoa, that is icy. Nearly broadsided straight to gubbins. How annoying is that? Ah, sticky. How beautiful is this? Cannot describe how cold it is. But look at it. The views. The epicness. Oh, a bit of side by side. Just missed it. Oh my god. Oh, shocking behaviour. It was all swampy. I tell you what, it is slippy.